Well, we go to that Clarendon story where the Clarendon police are on high alert to prevent reprisal attacks following the shooting of 6 people in Newtown Phase 2 in Hayes last night. As you'll hear in this report from Anthony Lugg, 2 people were killed in the incident, including a 16-year-old boy.
A heavy police military presence in Hayes, Clarendon Tuesday night. 6 people were shot at this location along Hollywood Drive in Newtown Phase 2. Reports indicate that sometime after 8:30 p.m., the 6 were among patrons playing dominoes when a silver Toyota Oxio drove up and 2 men alighted and opened fire at the group.
Me lie down right in a room with a laptop I watch one African show. And me hear boom, 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 boom. And my granddaughter them run. And then brother run and say, my grandson run and say, we no ground there and we hear a car, one car scoop, I come round. And when me reach right I do over there so, me hold on pan one of my son-in-law and me hold on pan him, me say to him, say, me say Billy dead.
The deceased have been identified as 16-year-old Demaro Gibson and 40-year-old Christopher Romani. Demaro's mother spoke with our news team.
Boy, I don't know if he said, I don't know. I'm not a person talk much. Not talk much.
Another 16-year-old boy was among those injured. We were also informed that one of the injured men recently returned to the island.
When he come, me been talking to him and tell him, stay home. Leave that guy company. He not do it. Me feel weak. And me feel if he all of them, but most of all, a little boy.
The police and political representatives in Clarendon held a community meeting earlier today with family members of the victims of Tuesday night's attack. Officer responsible for the Community and Safety Department in the Clarendon Police Division, Deputy Superintendent Owen Brown, says no motive has been established for the killings. He made this appeal to residents.
We don't want persons to take matters into their own hands. This may result in further lives being lost, and so we want to stop it right here. We're giving them our reassurance that we will investigate, we will find out the persons who have committed this crime, and we will ensure that they are brought to justice.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.